Welcome to the Orthostitch App, designed by the Color Imaging Laboratory at University of Granada in Spain. This is the application's main window. As you can see, it is divided into 4 quadrants. As users, we only have to interact with the top left quadrant. First of all, we are going to tell the app where the images to be stitched are found. For this, we click Browse and select the folder containing those images. Remember that only the images to be stitched must be in this folder. Delete or move away any other files inside this folder. After this, we have to select the reference ortho image. This can be an RGB or grayscale image of any kind. Afterwards, we have to give a name to the artwork. This name will be used as prefix for the output files. Finally, we have to select what we want to be the output folder. Most times, the default settings will work properly so that we only have to click on Stitch and wait for the final result. But in case we get errors or the stitching process fails, we can modify the app parameters under the Advanced button. For more information about this, please visit our GitHub technical documentation. During the stitching process, we will see the progress in the top right quadrant. Once it is done, we will see the results in the bottom quadrants. On the left-hand side, we will find either the stitched image, in case it is an RGB or grayscale image, or a false RGB image in case we stitched a spectral image. On the right-hand side, we will see the seam map showing how the different images were stitched to get the final result. If we want to open the Output Destination folder, we can click this button too. There we will find the stitched output image, the RGB version in case it is a spectral image, and the seam map file as we see it in the app. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.